Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will focus on mastering the pronunciation of the word coincidence. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. It was a coincidence that we both wore the same outfit to the party. A coincidence is a situation where two or more events happen by chance and without any causal relationship or foreknowledge between them. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.